Here is a piece of advice for cybersecurity beginners. If you're just starting out in cybersecurity, this one advice can save you years of confusion. What's it? Focus on fundamentals before the tools, before any cybersecurity tools. A lot of beginners rush straight into learning tools like Kalininos, Metasploit, Wireshark, SIM solution, cloud security solutions, and platforms. And while tools are very important, they are useless without a strong foundation. Tools change, but fundamentals don't. Remember that fundamentals don't. And cybersecurity is not magic. No, it's not magic. It's simply understanding how system works, how they break, and how you can protect them, and how you can maintain and sustain them, for a very long time. And one of the things you need to do, is that you need to start with basics. Learn how computers communicate, understand networking, very basic, IP addresses, MAC addresses, ports, ISO, application controls, all those things. Those are things you need to focus on first, communications or networking. And if you don't know how actually data moves normally, you won't be able to recognize where something is wrong, which is very important. Then the next thing is that you need to understand operating systems. Learn how Windows and Linux work under the hood, like file systems, processes, permissions, logs, and services. Attackers only abuse what defenders don't understand. And the better you know an operating system, the harder it is for someone to hide on it. And another important piece of advice to you is that you need to start thinking like a problem solver, not a hacker movie character though. But cybersecurity is less about typing fast, in a dark room, and more about patience, more about investigation, and also logic. You will actually spend a lot of time reading logs, analyzing traffic, troubleshooting, and asking why this thing happened this way, what caused it, and all that. Those are the things, critical thinking. Then also, don't try to learn everything at once. No. Cybersecurity is very huge. Is it networking? Is it cloud security, forensic, blue team, red team, governance, risk, and compliance? All those aspects, they are, areas in cybersecurity. And one of the things you need to do is you need to pick one area, build a solid base foundation, then expand. Depth always beats shallow knowledge every time. And practice what you learn. Set up a small lab, break things, fix them, capture traffic, analyze malware samples safely, simulate attacks, and also defenses. These skills are built by doing, not just by watching videos or collecting certificates. And here's something for beginners that they don't hear more enough. It is very okay to be confused. Everyone in cybersecurity was, confused at the beginning in one way or the other. Even the experts you admire, there are times when they were confused. What actually matters most is consistency. 30 minutes a day of focused learning is actually better than a random burst of motivations. Finally, develop the right mindset, but be curious, be ethical, be patient. Cybersecurity is a long-term journey, not a quick win. If you build strong fundamentals and you keep practicing and you stay disciplined, the tools and advanced concepts will eventually make sense to you at the long run. So remember this: learn how things work. Before learning how to break them, you need to learn how to work. And that single mindset, will actually set you apart as a cybersecurity professionals. I hope you stay true. That's my piece of advice. If you find this advice helpful, kindly share, like, and also watch all my other videos. You can also join my Telegram community where we share knowledge, insight, and all that. I wish and I hope to see you at the top.